Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another episode of Action Figure Unboxing. Today I'm going to be going through three packages, which I actually happen to know the contents of one of because it does say the description on the outside, but it's the last package for my old apartment. So I'm going to be opening this one today as my smaller package, and then I've got two larger packages to go through as well. So without further ado, let's get to it and crack these things open. Got my trusty Mastercraft not sponsored X-Acto knife. Cuts like butter. Okay. Ooh. I'm really happy to have this guy finally. I've been carrying this package around for like so long because I moved over a year ago, I guess. Yeah, I've had him like in the box and yeah, just waiting to go. So this is the Civil War 2-pack Falcon. I believe he came with Winter Soldier. I went with the Civil War version because I just preferred the slight difference in variation of the deco on his armor. And I just really like this Sam Wilson head. I think that it looks really good, a lot like the actor. They did a good job. He's got these big attach-on wings, as well as a weapon. And I bought the 2-pack loose because I already have a Winter Soldier. I didn't really feel like I needed the Civil War version specifically because at the time I didn't have a Civil War display. Now I actually do have one, so it would have been good to get the 2-pack complete, but hindsight's always 20/20. So I'm still super happy to have this Falcon, but yeah, maybe I'll have to track down that single Bucky Barnes eventually. But let's see how he looks with his wings on here. They just kind of peg on the back. There's like 2 holes, 2 pegs, very straightforward. And yeah, it's that easy. I think that looks good. They're a bit small, to be honest. Like, I don't think that wings this small would be able to carry him, but I don't know. It's better for the shelf, to be honest, that they're not crazy big. Like, the Vulture's wings are huge, and they have a big hinge in them. I kind of wish these did have a hinge in them, but yeah, I'm still happy with it. The paint looks really good on them. The sculpt, it's got a lot of good detail. Could use some more silver. I feel like they always underuse their metallic silver. Like, he does have some on him, but nothing on the wings, and very little paint on the back of the figure. But really happy to finally have Falcon out of the box, or out of the package rather. And so, and I guess I'll go over his weapon as well. He comes with one machine gun here. I believe this is the same one that came with the Punisher, and as well as Winter Soldier that came in the recent update of Winter Soldier. Yeah, that recent one actually came with several weapons. It came with like 2 handguns, a knife, that big machine gun, and something else. Okay, but getting into this next package. Ooh, okay, so it's an in-package figure. Oh, it's Quicksilver from Avengers 2, Age of Ultron. Wow. Wow. They took forever to release this guy. He came out like years after Age of Ultron, but I finally have another MCU Quicksilver. It's so sad. Spoilers, if you don't want to hear this, you stop listening, but he dies in Avengers 2, so it's sad that he was introduced and then gone right away. I guess everyone's seen Age of Ultron by now, but yeah, maybe not everyone. So, really good texture detail on this guy. Nice silver accents. Comes with the destroyed Ultron pieces. I actually bought some Ultron pieces loose to decorate my Age of Ultron display, but yeah, it's cool to have the proper in-package one. So that's a really good figure to be adding. Two awesome figures, and both MCU. And let's see what's in package number 3, the largest package. Hopefully I saved the best for last, even though I was super stoked with the first ones. Oh, it's a box in a box. Oh. Okay. Feels like a retro card figure. You can feel the cardboard backing. But let's see what's in this guy. Oh, I see the logo. So it's gonna be an animated Spider-Man figure, and oh, it's Spider-Man. It's animated series, the 1994 animated series Spider-Man. Wow, in package, retro card. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna open this one. This one might have to just stay sealed. Damn. Yeah, I did. I'm like at a loss for words. I did save the best for last. That was awesome. I wasn't expecting to open that guy. That makes me so happy, man. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open him. I might have to get like a second copy or some different version so I can have him open. I was thinking about getting the cell shaded 2-pack with him and Vulture from the animated series, because then I could open that one and keep this one on the card. I might end up doing that, but yeah, super happy to get this guy, and a really good unboxing today, man. 3 great figures. One waited a long time to open, over a year being hauled. I moved 2 times, still kept him in the package. Age of Ultron figure took forever to get released. Finally, they made it, and a really good animated Spider-Man. Again, like this animated Spider-Man, this one it means that much, so much to me, because this was like the very first Spider-Man figure, I guess, like back in the day, was the very first figure that I really enjoyed. It was this Spider-Man that came with like an ATV, and you could ride around, and you could add a helmet and a little vest and knee pads on him, and it was from the animated series. And yeah, that was like my favorite Spider-Man figure, and so to finally have like a 6-inch version of that 90s Spider-Man, that this is what like makes my collection to me right now. This is probably my prized possession, I gotta say. So really happy with this unboxing. So if you're as happy as I am to see these figures, hit the like button. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button so you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends coming from me. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.